Hello, art enthusiasts. I'm really excited to invite you to my new Patreon tier, which is called Invitation, an invitation to art practice. The three most common reasons people have trouble starting an art practice is they think it's going to be too expensive, too time-consuming, and require too many materials. So Art with Everyone, Awe Studio, wants you to get started. So I'm going to take away all of those obstacles for you. All you're going to need is a sheet of paper, 3 colors, red, yellow, and blue. They can be any medium. I'm going to start with colored pencils and 10 cents and 3 minutes of your time. And I'm going to show you in just that how to create this. It's going to be like a meditation in color that will bring you well-being and confidence. So come on, give it a try.